What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to take some pork steak and make it taste like you was outside on the barbecue grill. But you don't want to do that today, buddy. I'm already shivering because it's the dead of winter out there, boy. I was out there earlier today, and I felt like damn Sanka from Cool Runnings.
Sanka man, what you smoking?
I'm not smoking, I'm breathing.
Man, I'm not kidding you. You know, I am ready for summertime. I'm ready for the barbecues. I'm ready to be out there drinking some cool beers. I'm ready to be out there with a hot dog in my hand dancing around like Apollo Creed. So, I want to make you some barbecue, and I'm going to show you how to do it indoors so we don't have to go out there where it's hace frío. So, we're going to go ahead and get our pork steak, that porky pig, and lay it out flat daddy out. Now, to make it taste like barbecue, we're going to cook it just like barbecue. When I barbecue, you know I got to rub it down, but you know I like to massage it and say sweet meat. So, we got to get these Famous Dave's rib. Good on everything, perfect on pork. So, we're going to properly portion that down there. Rub it on, rub it in, then flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Now, once you got that done, let's get our skillet and let's get it hot to try, just like you when you was out there pushing that lawnmower. So, summer is coming right around the corner. Don't worry about that. You got to worry about this. Now, we're going to go ahead and get our stuff. We're going to get our skillet. It's hot to try. We put just a little bit of butter down on the bottom, and that's for two sides of it because I don't want this to stick and burn the bottom, and I want it also to kind of give it a little crisp, if you will, kind of give it that char like barbecue has there. So let's go ahead and do that. Put that butter down. Then we're gonna slap our meat. No, we're not. We're gonna put our meat in the pan. Put it in there. Let it sizzle. Let it fizzle. Let it be in there about 10 minutes or so, long enough for you to go and watch some baseball reruns and be like, oh, summertime. So let's go ahead and put that in there, let it sit, let it flip around, and when you see this got a good color to it, see, it's got the beautiful color already, sir, and it's got just a little bit of char around the edge. You might even pick you a piece off and go. Then, once you think that it's done, it's looking wonderful. Got to get the sauce, because the sauce is the boss, buddy. Today, going with that sweet baby rays, as usual. Put that on there, a little or heavy as you want me, you know, kind of thicky wicky. So, put that on there, wipe it on down, flip it around. Don't leave it in the skillet too long, just enough to kind of coat it and do its beautiful thing. And then once it's done its beautiful thing, I think we're ready for a beautiful sight and a beautiful bite of these pork steaks barbecue style in the warm little house tonight, buddy. I got to tell you what, it smells like summertime to me, and I wonder how it tastes. I'm gonna find out. Alright, buddy, the time has come. It is time to taste this stuff because this pork steak barbecue style in his house is done. I'm having that first bite for Big Papa, son. Smells good. Even kind of looks like it just came off the grill. If you didn't have to tell nobody, maybe nobody would know, son. Boy. You can't tell me that ain't barbecue. That the rib rib. Delicious flavor right off the bat. You get that first off, that char on there, simulating the grill. And of course the sauce to make your taste buds go, ooh. So, I want to thank all of you for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse me, I'm about to clear this plate. I'm kidding, so you might want to stand back if you don't mind. Sorry.